You just be
Uh,
playing on the computer at this point.
nah, it's for nah, it's like my 'cause I work from home, so I'll
Hmm.
be on Zoom with like client, well not clients, but like my teammates and stuff like that. So let's be having like different background, just as your own, I guess, your own flavor, bro.
That's your
So,
flavor, the cooler with a
oh,
trailer.
you don't know where this from?
Breaking Bad or something? Or
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So that's like shit. Oh, you know what? This one gonna be the good one.
Yeah, you got some free time on your hand. All right, let me look for chart. I just got off of Zoom, so let me clean everything up. Clear that. Okay, clear that. What questions do you have?
Um, questions? Really got like no questions. Um, yeah, I mean, I took a couple good trades this like on EU.
Mhm.
Um, just watching just watching how it's played out. Um, just really being mindful and being aware of what I'm looking at, what's reacting to what. Of
Mhm.
course, like the whole numbers, stuff like that.
I used
And
I
then
used I used all that today. Can I show you this real quick why I took my trade today?
yeah, yeah, sure.
Basically, all I did was you already see the sale. This isn't even rocket science or anything. I already saw the sale. As we know, you can see that price is getting lower, lower, lower. I, I'm only gonna know it's gonna get lower. So if it's not gonna pass here, then that means it has to be somewhere in here. So all I did was look for my whole number, like I tell everybody, which is right here, 500. And I also used the confluence of it used to be support, came up, broke through. So I was waiting for it to touch the ceiling of this because once it broke
Mm,
support, now it turns resistance and it was
mm,
at the whole number. That's what the
yeah,
sale was about.
they made that way down. Yeah, definitely, bro. So even on this same chart you have right now, I made like a couple trades on it. So going all the way back to the left hand side,
Hmm.
um, I made a trade on this big push up, but I came out before I came out too early.
Hmm.
Then yeah, it went down. I could pull my wait. Let me just pull my chart up. I could pull my chart. That's the ping button is directing me to this chat communication. All right, let's read in some chats here. I could pull my chart up real quick too, so I could show you what I did. I think I do have that. So I got yeah, let me share it real quick.
You said you want to share your screen?
Yeah. So
Okay,
can
let me
can
stop
it share?
sharing.
You can see it?
No,
No. All
just
right.
you.
Stop share. All right. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Gotcha. So this was kind of like the same thing. Oh, it's on the wall. It really don't matter. Yeah, cause you took this trade here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I took it too, but I just did this one to here, and
Mhm.
I got out too early because I saw the pullback.
For sure, I would have did that
Yeah.
too. I did that too. But
Yeah, I
mine
got
was for the second square that you have in the middle of that. Because
this
that's
one.
where, yeah, it had one, two, three, four wicks dropping into that and then shooting back up. So that's what made me get out around that area.
Oh, yeah, you on the 30. Yeah. So Yeah, so even like this whole part right here,
Mm-hmm.
just being able to, I was in it. I was just watching EU the whole time. The first trade was here. Got
Mm-hmm.
in here. It came down, but this was in the morning. So this is like 3 a.m. So I
Yeah.
wasn't up. If I was up, I'm sure I would have messed this whole trade up
Yeah.
because I'd have probably got out. Um, but then of course that's where your stop loss is for too. So and then in this way, you would have put your stop loss below this line, right? Below the support.
Yeah.
Right, okay. But would that still be that tight though?
For what entry? Are you talking about to
This
the
one
left? Oh, no, 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 no. I thought you were talking about those two stops, two entries on the left.
on the left. No, I'm talking like this one here.
N No, that would have been a trade that would have hit your stop loss for sure. You would have had to wait for it
Yeah,
to come back up to the support area.
to here.
Yeah.
No, yeah. So oh yeah, so this was June the night. So it happened and I woke up and took it out, but I went all the way up. Missed that. So then at that point, this part coming down, I saw it touch and then it broke through. So at this point I was like, yo, I don't know what's about to happen. So I jumped on the trend line because basically that's what I saw was happening. So what I did, I was like, you know what? If it break, I'm gonna take an entry here for it to go back up. So it went up, but I didn't come out. I think I'll be holding it too long because I wanted to be like, yo, be freaking Superman or whatever. But I think I'll be holding it too long,
How long do you hold
and
trades?
I'm not really just according to what's happening. So if I place one in the morning, I would just wait to see like what happens. So normally I would probably place a trade before like New York session anyway. Um, that's if I see a setup. If anything come around to the spots that I'm looking to enter in, I'll place a trade before New York session. But what I noticed is that when I'm working as well too, 'cause I'm working on the computer, like I would forget. I didn't even forget like, but I'll forget I'll go check it, then go back to what I'm doing. And then when I go back and check it, it might
Yeah.
come up and then start like retracing back.
Yeah.
So it's just like um that window. I gotta just have yeah, just that window really. So like here, I would have liked to come out around this area here. So it came down and I held it still, came back up around here. Then it had that big drop. Like I was telling you yesterday
Yeah.
that I got to experience like this sell off
Mm-hmm.
and had this big drop and
So
exactly at
you
10
were
o'clock.
ready for the sale already.
Yeah, so I mean I saw it happen. So I'm like, yo,
Hmm.
what is going on? Like somebody turned something off.
Yeah.
Boom, and then it just dropped all the way down to this point, the 1920. So when I saw that, I'm like, but it made the same look like this over here.
Mm-hmm.
So what I did, I was like, okay, it's probably the fair value gap that's pulling this price back down to this area. So I draw the gap and then saw this. I'm like, okay, if it's break back through, I'm gonna take the buy to the upside. Hopefully, you're gonna go straight back to the top to the 97 19700, which it did,
Mm-hmm.
and I came out right before it dropped right back down. So I did the same thing again, but I enter here, but it made all this little jibby jabber. Came out and closed out here. Then I did a sale from here to here, and that was it. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. So now my next entry, what I'm looking for is, or to see what happens, is when it comes down to this area right here. That's 1.18400,
Yeah.
and see like, okay, what goes on there. So I figured out, you know what? I'm gonna just do these three: oil, silver, and EU. I mean, the reason why I picked silver because a lot of people do gold already.
Yeah, gold moves fast. So that's why everybody does gold because it moves fast.
Yeah. But I don't know. I feel like everybody does gold and from when I was doing gold and silver, it moves the same or it moves similar.
Yeah.
So I like, man, I'm gonna just pick silver so I can be with it um as it grows over time. Because I was watching gold when it was at 3,000 something. And you remember one of our first Zoom calls, he was like, "Oh, gold has never been at this height before, so be curious to see like what happens." I
Hmm.
was like the same thing like with silver. Um, I had some bad trades on silver too, but yeah. So even silver had the drop at 10 o'clock. It had another one today at 12. At 12,
That 300 whole number is nice. Like that's a sale right
right?
when it broke.
Yeah, yeah. But I didn't. So I didn't know. I thought it was going to bounce back, but
No.
I didn't catch it. So now I know because that was a big candle anyway too. 11 straight down. Um, yeah, and I missed that one. Going in oil. So oil, I missed this entry right here for that ride up.
Hmm.
And then at 12, yeah, see, 12 p.m. today, it had that I guess sell off or whatever you call it. And yesterday it was like 10 and today it was 12. But it made it straight back up. So but yeah, for oil, what I'm looking for is what it's gonna do. Either gonna go to the top, but the thing with oil, what I was looking at, let's see on the point of fall, it's been here before. So this was like last year, September. And this is what it did when it got to that range or that number. So is this going to be consolidation real quick, touch it and then drop, or would it break past and continue going? 'Cause, I mean, it's been at these numbers before,
Yeah.
so it
We'll just
could
have to
definitely,
wait for it to get close to those areas and see what it does.
yeah, yeah, 'cause it could definitely break past and jump to the 70, 51, 70, 50. But I mean, I don't know, probably ain't time yet, so gotta see what's good with that. Um, yeah, but other than that, I think that's gonna be my play. Whereas I'm only focusing on looking at oil, silver, and EU.
All right, man.
Um, and see, yeah, see how that play out my Bitcoin. I
Yeah.
mean, I'm playing around with Bitcoin too, but I ain't putting my money in Bitcoin. Like
No.
the crypto, I was just playing around with like the paper money, man. I was like, Bitcoin be moving crazy. And I used to do XRP too, but the same thing with XRP and Bitcoin, they move hand in hand too, in my opinion. Same thing with like silver
Yeah,
and gold.
some pairs do move according with each other.
Yeah. Um, but other than that, bro, like how I break it down, it's really just what the black candles do. It what I'm starting to see is the like support and resistance. So like when it double like this, how it's like dark, you can see like a little like support where you can see the candles just sitting when you like just sitting around like that area. You can see. So yeah, man. I mean, just gain more clarity as I look at the charts, bro. Trying to figure it out. So you could probably even do like our next one too. What's one of them big ones? QQQ,
I'm trying NAS 100.
NAS, NAS 100. All right, so NAS 100. Dang, I had a line on this already. All right, so
The 250 or 300, I mean.
250, or because of this right here.
You're looking for the buys or that current sale?
I'm just looking for support.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, that would be it right there.
right, because yeah, this
Yeah.
is the daily as well too. Yeah,
Hmm.
so that's that 300. Not 300, and then basically you wait because yeah, like the higher time frames do give you a cleaner picture, bro. I mean, you see this. Yeah, so you could probably just wait that next day, boom, touch, and then go back up. Yeah, and I mean, I don't know what advice you have or
No,
you got
I'm
for
looking
me.
at the buys for the.
Uh,
Do you trade that QQQ?
no, I just clicked it just now to kind of break it
Oh,
down, but no,
because it seems like you pretty.
I.
Because you trading exactly how I would trade. You're showing me exactly what the trades I'd be in.
Oh yeah, okay. See, like that's good. That's what I want to
Yeah.
hear. But yeah, other than that,
Because there's nothing I could change up, but like you're literally doing what I would tell you. So I would just be saying what you're saying.
right. Yeah, okay, okay. Um, yeah, other than that is really just the entries. Oh, and I did like for the trades, I put everything how I would do with like the money I got right now too. So I did 15 units on oil to do like $20. Silver, or it went down, so it's like 17 now, but $20. And then euro, well, the EU, $20 as well too. So my thought process is if I trade the three pairs, I lose one, I can win two. Like it will kind of, I guess, play out, kind of have like an edge. If you lose one and like you win the other two, or you lost two or win one. So that's how I kind of like think about it. I don't know if you could give me some. I don't know
Yeah,
if you ever
that's
did
that's how
that.
you have to do it. Yeah, that's exactly how you have to do it because you can't avoid the loss.
Yeah, and then what I started doing now too, like when I'm doing like little demo trades, I'm putting the stop loss on there. Cause what I've experienced, just paper trading too. Like I would do a trade and then go to sleep, and then I come back, it's like bang, it's gone. That happened with Bitcoin.
Yeah,
I'm like, okay.
yeah.
But do
When you
you
see
want?
how crypto is different from all the other charts, like when I said,
Yeah,
like when you press enter on there, it's like it's a different ball game. It's like
yeah.
hard to explain. It's just like the drawdown's different. The waiting for it to get in the
It's
profit is different. So I don't explain it because it's like nah, it's not my ball game.
bruh. It was one. It was one that it was crazy. But Yeah, I mean, I even try like breaking it down too as well too, which I'm doing at the good numbers, looking for like but it goes inverse. So when you're looking for it to like bounce off and continue, it would just break through and go the next way. I'm like, yo, this is crazy, but hey, it is what it is, man. This ain't my this ain't my cup of tea yet. So
Yeah.
I'm
Hmm.
gonna just stick with what moves smooth and that I like. One, I like EU because you do it, and I could always brainstorm with you on basically this.
Hmm.
Silver, I like silver because it's coming up and it's different from gold. I don't really hear people talking about, oh, I trade silver or whatever. So it's to me kind of like the same thing, but it's just a different metal. And then oil, another commodity or air, and all of them. So I'm gonna go with I think I'm gonna go with oh Wanda. Where's yeah? I think I'm gonna go with Wanda.
Okay, that's cool.
Um, as a platform because it integrates with here as well too. So
Hmm.
I could do that.
Yeah, just do your due diligence on all your brokers and you should be good, bro.
Yeah. Other than that, what else? What else? Um, I mean, I can also, but yeah, trading like in the nighttime or like Pacific times. I want to do that, but also just understanding like the strategy that is in place. Whereas I'm really waiting for price to come to me, as you say, right? You're
Hmm.
waiting for price to come to you so then you can react on what's going on. If you're buying or selling, stuff like that. So
Yeah, you wait for price because you can't chase the price. You have to wait for it to come to you.
yeah. And that's the thing, like price be moving whenever they want. They move. I mean, it's closed right now.
Hmm.
Yeah, wait, all of them closed? Yeah, but yeah, Bitcoin's still running. Also, wait, just open up to in the morning. Wait, so oh, it's Friday, bro. Like, what you talking about? So they close open back on Sunday
Yeah. Sunday, 5 p.m.
at 5 p.m. My bad, yeah. So yeah, so just boom, see what happens next week, and yeah, go from there, man.
All right, man.
Other than
Yeah,
that,
just send me a text whenever you want to hop back on Zoom. I gotta start cooking for the family.
yeah, gotcha, bro. Yeah, other than that, nah, I mean, I am glad you said like, okay, I'm kind of doing everything that you would do as well too. So that give me some peace of mind. And I ain't just out here playing. 'Cause I'm seeing it too. Like I'm seeing the picture. I'm seeing what I'm looking for. I'm seeing what, yeah, the potential, bro. So I'm excited, but trying not to be too excited.
Yeah, man. Just stay consistent.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But all right, man. Enjoy your day. Stay safe. Let me know
You too,
anything.
my bro. You too. You too. Dang, is there a question I wanted to? If I remember, I'll probably just text you.
All right.
All right, bless, man.